Wow, enough fresh tomatoes. Wow, 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 wow. This is a lot. This is going to serve us 10 years. 10 good years. Bell pepper, fresh tomatoes. So guys, this habanero peppers, they came along with the produce. Some are still green, but I like them like that. It's very flavorful when you use them in recipes. So I'm also going to store those peppers. I'll arrange them in Ziploc bags and just put them in the freezer. But those fresh tomatoes, the bell peppers, I'm just going to let them sit here for more 2 to 3 days, just for them to ripen more. You know, the more they ripen, the more red it will be. So I just want to give them time to just ripen and just get more red before I begin to process them. So I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to process all of this. They are just 2 big bags of tomatoes, 1 bag of habanero. The habanero pepper is not much, but I have 1 bag here of bell pepper. So I'm going to show you guys how I will preserve them, how I'll process them into tomato paste and freeze them, and it's gonna serve us for a year plus. The ones I did last year, I still have them in my freezer, so I'm just going to process those ones and add them to it. Okay, so we're going to just give them time to ripen more. So in 2 or 3 days time we'll be back and I'll show you guys how I'm going to do the whole thing. So this is how I'm going to preserve the habanero peppers. Just, I'm not gonna wash them, okay? No need to wash them. I'll just pack them here in the Ziploc bags. I just like to leave the stalk because it just kind of make them look fresh. So we go to the farm once every year to pick all of those vegetables ourselves. We pluck the fresh tomatoes, the peppers, they have a lot of things. They have okra, they have corn, they have a lot of things in the farm. So it's just a very big farm, so you just have to pay. Once you pay, they will let you in, then you pluck as much as you want. When you are done plucking, everything, they will weigh it and you will pay per pound, okay, according to the weight. That's how you pay. So if you like, pluck 100 bags of tomatoes, pluck anything you want. Once you come out to there's a section that you get to, they'll weigh everything and let you know what the price is and you will pay. So that's where we buy all those things. We go there once every year and it saves us a lot of money. Okay, instead of buying those things small in the store, we just go once a year, buy them in large quantities, then store them all year round. So that is how we run it here. I wanted this to be just one video that won't be very long, but the way I'm seeing this now, and I think I already have about 5 minutes clips. Have about 5 minutes clip, and we have not even started processing the tomatoes and the bell peppers. So what I'm gonna do is we are going to post this first one where I just showed you guys the tomatoes and the peppers and where we go to get them. And the next video will now be to show you guys how I process the tomatoes and the bell peppers. I think that's what we are going to do. No need of adding this clip to that one. Let that one be just a separate video of itself, just how I preserve my tomatoes, how I convert them to tomato paste and store them all year round. So that's gonna just be a different video of its own. So I'm going to edit this one and post. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed watching me do this. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section, is there, do you guys have such a place where you live? Is there a farm where you can just go pay and just go there and pick whatever fruits or whatever vegetable of your choice? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, I was hoping to carry you guys along this year and show you guys the farm, just show you around, show you what the farm looks like, but unfortunately I couldn't go. Okay, only my husband went. He was the one that plucked and harvested all of these things, so that's why I couldn't show you guys the farm, but I hope to show you guys what the place looks like by next year, by God's grace, if I'm still able to go. So this is the type we call Ose and Soka, Ose NSK. This pepper is very good, especially if you use it to make banga stew. In most Nigerian recipes, this pepper is just so flavorful. You have to be very careful, because if you add small, it's gonna be too much. You can't even eat the food, unless of course you like spicy food. But someone like me, I just use one one or two in my recipes. We don't eat too much pepper, but if you are pepper them gang, you can at least, you can use more than two, you can use as much as you want. So these are all the peppers I have. 5 bags here, and I hope that these ones will serve me till next year, hopefully. Yeah, because I don't eat it a lot. I just use about 1 or 2 in my recipes, depending on the size of what I'm making though. So these are all of them. We are going to keep them in the freezer, and that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, comment, and I'll see you in the other video where I'm going to show you guys how I process my fresh tomatoes and my bell peppers. So stay tuned for that video. Bye.